We'll guide you through how to change your password on Facebook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide if you've forgotten your password or if you know it, so make sure you follow this step by step so you know what to do. So perhaps you're in the position of where you do currently know it and you just want to go and change it as a security procedure, as maybe you're worried somebody else knows it. Or you may have found that you just can't remember your Facebook password, as if you're signed in, it can be easy to go and forget if you went to set it a long time ago. So make sure this full video and let's get right into this. So to get started, head to the bottom right of Facebook and press the menu button. On an Android or other types of devices, it may be in the top right, so you can go and tap there to get to the menu page. Now you can go and scroll down, find the option for settings and privacy and tap there to expand it and press settings. Here we are. Now from here, you need to find the option for account center at the top. Then what you can do is you can come down and you want to go and find the option in account settings for password and security, and we can go and tap there. Now, just before we start changing the password, if you're concerned somebody else may have access, which is why I want to go and change the password, you can press where you're logged in and you can then choose your Facebook account and you can just go and check the devices here. If any you don't recognize, you can press select devices to log out and you can then select one you want to go and log out and you can press log out and you can go and remove it. In this case, I recognize these, so that's fine. Let's press the back button in the top left. So to come and change it, you can press change password at the top. Then you can go and choose your Facebook account. And so first of all, if you do go and know your current password, you can enter it in at the top and you can then go and enter in a new one and you can then retype it again to go and confirm it. So that's how you can go and change it if you know it. However, if you've forgotten it, so you don't currently know what it is, at the bottom, you'll see the option for forgotten your password. You can then go and tap there and you can go and see the different options here we've got for logging in. So we can get a code via email or a Facebook notification. So you can select this, you'll get a code sent, and with that code, you'll then be able to go and change your Facebook password to one you do know. So even if you've forgotten it, it can still go and be changed, don't worry. That's it. That is how you can go and do this and change your password and get your account secure again. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more useful Facebook guides